see you looking at me here. I guess you're seeing me reading my new book, Easy Pickings. It's a self-teaching manual, the technique of lockpicking. $20 on eBay, best money ever spent. Might just put a link in the down bar thingy. See here, it comes with this nifty leather pouch with a ton of nifty tools. We'll start with a simple one. I've taped it up. This is the torque wrench, also known as the tension wrench or the torsion wrench. This is a master lock. Completely locked. How could I get in this? Voila. Stick your tension wrench in like so. Hold force on it. And you want to use the picking tool, which I'd also taped up for the beings of me. Stick it as far back as you can until you can feel a pin. You push down. Keep going up until you feel another pin. You push down. Feel another pin. Push down. Sometimes you gotta put a little force on it. Excuse me. You wanna get on the other side here? You know? No. A little more leverage on this. This lock is very old, very rusted. Okay. Didn't like that sound. And then it's unlocked.